Is your Hisense TV refusing to turn on, or is it stuck on the logo screen? Don't panic, because we are going to get that power light back to life right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This problem usually happens due to a power surge, a stuck internal power relay, or a software glitch in the VIDIA or Google TV operating system. Let's dive into 10 advanced hardware solutions to fix it. Step 1. Perform a deep power cycle. Unplug your Hisense TV from the wall outlet and wait for a full 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the TV frame for 30 seconds to drain all residual electricity. Step 2. Test a different power outlet. Plug the TV directly into a wall socket instead of a surge protector. Sometimes a failing power strip cannot provide the high voltage a smart TV needs to boot up. Step 3. Check the power cord connection. Ensure the cord is pushed firmly into the back of the TV. If it is even slightly loose, the TV might show a standby light but won't have enough power to start the backlight. Step 4. The remoteless power on. Locate the small power button, usually hidden under the front logo or on the side. Press it once to rule out a broken remote or dead batteries. Step 5. Disconnect all HDMI 2.1 accessories. Unplug your gaming consoles, soundbars, and cable boxes. A faulty device can send a stop signal through the HDMI port that prevents the TV from booting. Step 6. Inspect the standby light codes. If your red light is blinking in a specific pattern, it is a hardware error code. 2 blinks usually mean a power board issue, while continuous blinking suggests a backlight failure. Step 7. The flashlight test. Turn the TV on and shine a bright flashlight inches away from the glass. If you can see a faint image of the Hisense logo, your TV is actually on, but the internal backlight hardware has failed. Step 8. Use the hardware reset button. Most Hisense models have a small reset pinhole on the back. While the TV is plugged in, use a paperclip to hold this button for 15 seconds to force a factory reboot. Step 9. Drain the remote control. Remove the batteries and press every button on the remote for 20 seconds. This resets the remote's internal chip, which can sometimes get stuck in a power off loop. Step 10. Update the firmware via USB. If your TV is stuck on the logo, download the official firmware from the Hisense support site onto a FAT32 drive. Plug it into the service port to trigger a manual system repair. Here is a pro tip for you. If your TV turns on but then immediately turns off, check your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi router location. If the router is too close to the TV, electromagnetic interference can occasionally trigger the internal safety shutoff. If you face any difficulty with these steps, leave a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more straight-to-the-point tech fixes. You've got this, and your Hisense TV will be up and running in no time.